Hello, so today we're going to do some DIYs based off of a character from my most favorite movie of all time, Spirited Away. And yes, I have the physical copy because if one day somebody decides to delete every trace of this movie from the face of the earth, this will be the only copy left and it will be worth $1 majillion and it will be my retirement fund. It's called investing. Anyways, we're going to be doing some Soot Sprite DIYs, and you might be asking, why would somebody love something that is dirty, small, and has 2 brain cells? But I don't ask why you like your children or small Chihuahua dogs. So let's get to crafting. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to make is that Soot Sprite headband that you saw me wearing in the beginning of this video, and you're going to look like the Soot Sprite queen and have those little fat dust balls sitting on your head. Remember that part of the movie when the Soot Sprites decided that they would rather be crushed? They would rather crush themselves with coal than continue to work for free for another single second? Very brave and bold of them to be starting a labor strike. Now onto our next craft, we're going to be customizing a reusable tote bag. I'm going to be using my Cricut and everyday iron-on to do this craft. If you don't have those tools, that's totally okay. You can use fabric paint and just paint on the little Soot Sprites. They're really easy to draw. And once our design is on there, we're going to be using the same star beads that we used in the headband, and I'm just gluing them straight onto the tote bag. I tried to sew them on before, but they just wouldn't stick and they kept falling and looking stupid, so hot glue it is. I don't know if this will hold up in the washing machine, but it's a tote bag. I mean, how dirty can it get, right? Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I'll see you next time. Bye!